Hello everyone. As we have done Roman numbers from 1 to 20 in the previous class, so you can pause the video and check whether you have done correct or not. Okay? So you can do it right now. Then now we are going to understand the Roman numbers from 21 to 40. But before that we have to write the rules that are to be followed, and I explained that in previous class. So here are the rules that V, L and D cannot be repeated. We don't have to repeat these symbols, and 1, 10, 100 and 1000. It can be repeated, but how many times? 3 times. So whenever you are doing the questions of Roman numbers, just write down the rules so that it is easy for you to write the Roman numbers. Fine. Okay, so now I want to explain some more rules. You can see on page number 19 of your book. Here is some rules are given in the orange background, that is remember point. Okay, so there are 4 points given. So what does they mean? I'm going to explain that. Listen very carefully. So the first point is 1 can be subtracted from V and X only. That means 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10. See, we have used it here. That to write 9, I have written 10 minus 1. That means I have subtracted 1 from 10. Similarly, I have written 4 like this. I have subtracted 1 from 5. So what does that mean that 1 can be subtracted from V and X? That means, for example, 6 is there. You can say that 6 can be extracted from 7 minus 1. Obviously, 7 minus 1 is 6 only. But I cannot write this 7 symbol, and to subtract 1 from it, I have to write 1 on the left, as we know that. Okay, one more rule was that right means add and left means subtract. So to subtract 1 from this 7, I have to write here. So accordingly, this must be 7 minus 1, 6, but it is wrong, because the rule says you can subtract 1 from 5 and 10 only. Fine. So that is one thing. Then we have in the same way, second point and third point is there, that 10 can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. So you have to see that how these rules are followed. You cannot subtract anything from anything, right? You have to remember these 3 points. Then the last one is V, L and D are never subtracted. So that I will give you example of V. So for example, we have written 15 over here, right? So 15 I have written as 10 and then 10 plus 5. I can also write that 20 minus 5 is equals to 15. Obviously, 20 minus 5 is 15. So if I have to write this, that means 20 is this, x and x. So x and x is 20. And to subtract 5 from it, I have to write 5 on the left of it. That means V must be here. But what does the question says? That the point says, that is given on page number 19, that V, L and D are never subtracted. But here I have subtracted V from 20. So that means it is wrong. I can't write like this. That's why this is correct. 10 plus 5. So you have to keep in mind these rules. As now I have my rules with me. So today I will do numbers 21 to 30. And you have to try from 31 to 40. They are so easy, it will be similar, just one difference will be there. I will tell you what is that. Fine. So today we are going to do numbers 21 to 30. Now see, we have already written 20 over here. This is 20, double x, x plus x. That means 10 plus 10 is 20. So now similarly, here is 20 I have written, but what is this? 21. That means I have to add 1. So where I will write? To the right, because addition means I have to write on the right side. So this one. Similarly, 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3. Done? So for 24, can I write like this? 20 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. No, because what was the rule that 1, 10, 100, 1000 can be repeated only 3 times, and here I am repeating it 4 times. So what will I do? I told you that whenever this repetition thing occurs, so we have to go for subtraction. So tell me, how can I get 24? Tell me, use your mind. See, 20 I can write like this only. How to write 4? I told you yesterday also, 4 I can get by subtracting 5 from 1. That means I have to subtract 1 from 5. So it is my 20 and this is 4. I have subtracted 1 from 5. So I got 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Then here is 25. Similarly, I can write this 20 and 5. 26. 6 means V plus 1. That means 5 plus 1, 6. 27. Fine. Then it is 28. Fine. Then the next number. Can I write my 29 like this? V and 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 plus 5, 25, and plus 4, 29. No. Why? Because here again the repetition is occurring more than 3 times. What is the rule? That I can repeat these symbols only 3 times. So what I will do? I have to go for subtraction. Now tell me, how can I get 29? Use your mind. See, I can write 20. Now I have to think for 9. How to write 9? I can write 9 by subtracting 1 from 10, right? So 10 is here and 1 I have subtracted from it. So 29. Fine. And the last one is very easy, that is 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Similarly, you have to go for 31 to 40 Roman numbers. The only change will be there. Here are 2x because it's 20s, and in 30s line it will be 3x over there in the starting. So go for it and do your homework nicely.